Several former Transnet executives have been arrested by the Hawks and they will be appearing at the Palm Ridge Commercial Crimes Court. For more, we're joined by SABC News reporter Mbalenhle Mthethwa. A very good morning to you, Mbalenhle. Quite an event this morning, those arrests, including Brian Molefe and Anoj Singh. Tell us about it.
Well, I cannot confirm who exactly has been arrested at this stage. You will understand that we cannot divulge the names of those who will appear before court before they've even appeared in court. What we do know is that there are arrests that were effected this morning with the assistance of the Hawks made by the NPA's Independent Investigative Directorate. And the arrests were actually made following an arrangement which was made with the individual's legal representatives. We do understand that this is in connection to a multi-million rand matter at Transnet. Now, we've seen arrests before, prior to this one that we're seeing today, and the individuals appearing today will be applying for bail. I'm joined by the investigative director's spokesperson, Sindisiwe Siboka. Thank you so much for speaking to us. Talk to us about these arrests and how you went about making them.
So first and foremost, I need to highlight that this is part of the NPA's committed 6 months priority plan matters. So these particular people that have been arrested will then join the first and second group of persons that were arrested earlier this year and another that was arrested last year in September, which is Kubenter and Mutli. This is in connection to a couple of contracts that were awarded to a variety of persons at the time when these people were at the helm of Transnet at the time. Additionally, more arrests can be expected in this particular matter, and then the matter will proceed further.
Okay. And today, what can we expect from today? And is today just a bail application?
So today, for the people that have been arrested today, is the first bail hearing. Then what will happen next is that for the other accused that are here, it will be a postponement for them that had been arrested in the past. And then from then on, we'll take it further. We know that there's some form of an application that could possibly be heard, but we'll hear what transpires in court today.
Okay. And I mean, is this linked in any way to allegations that have emerged or come out of state capture, really?
So yes, you would know that at the State Capture Commission, there were various allegations that were made, more particularly in the state-owned entities, Transnet as well as Eskom. As to what happened, you'd know that the evidence of Mr. Francis Carlard is quite pivotal in this particular matter. However, as the investigating directorate, we also worked through our own investigation, sourced our own evidential material before this matter was enrolled. However, we did have some form of regard for the Commission's recommendations.
Now, when it comes to the testimony that was given by Engineer Francis Carlard, that speaks to the procurement of locomotives. This somewhat gives us an idea of who might be appearing, or the individuals who might be appearing before the court.
Most definitely. However, not to get into the persons or naming these persons until they've appeared, because it's their constitutional right to first appear in a court of law and then be named. So we'll leave it to that. But having looked at that particular testimony at the commission, which was spanned over a couple of weeks, if I remember correctly, it was quite detailed around that particular matter.
Sindisiwe, I know we both covered that leg of the testimony before the State Capture Commission of Inquiry. Now, you will remember that this is connected to the procurement of over 1,000 locomotives, which were seemingly procured without following proper processes, and we saw that the procurement price was inflated and by billions, really, and we saw that certain individuals or certain companies were prioritized or given special treatment when it comes to the awarding of this particular contract. There were also allegations that there were those who stood to benefit from bribes of sorts. When we heard the testimony that was heard at the State Capture Commission of Inquiry, we are just moments away from this court sitting. The judge could walk in at any moment right now, but I think we do have a good sense or a better idea as to who we can expect to walk in just moments after or just moments before the judge takes the podium. It's back to you in studio.
Mbalenhle, will the media be allowed in?
Yes, we are inside, and we will be giving you the latest. We have been allowed to film. There are other media houses present inside court right now, so we will be able to give you those live or rolling coverage of what is taking place inside court today.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Mbalenhle Mthethwa, watching that story as you heard the Hawks making several arrests this morning.